Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genetic Coding. So in this video we are starting from the concept where we start how we can schedule our notification based on the user selected date and time. So before proceeding to further, we have to install one package which is intl package. We will use this package for converting the format of selected date into the readable format. So install this package in our system so that we can go further in our video. So for selecting the date and time, we will implement two separate buttons and we will show what time is selected by the user and also do the same for date. So first of all we will implement two button in our UI part. So implement here row children and copy this part like this. So first of all we will use this select date and select time. Now we have implemented our two button here in axis alignment space evenly. Now here we also select here we will define two variable. First is date time we will give it name picked date and second will be time of the day. Then we will give the name of variable picked time. Now here we will use one text. Before that, first of all we will check if our picked date is not equal to null. It means our picked date is selected by the user. So we will show this, otherwise we will show container like this dollar. Here we will format our selected date. How we can do that? We will use date format class like this and we will use dd and by like this dot format picked date like so. First of all we will start for the our pick date. So make a method. We will make this method as a asynchronous because our result will come after a user will select its date, then the result will come into our UI part. So future we will pick date like this. Now we will make this asynchronous. Now where obj like this. First of all we will show date picker. Here we will pass our context and initial date we will set as now because we will schedule the notification in future. So previous date will not matter at all. So we will disable the previous dates from the current date and enable the future dates. So I have decided initial date now and first date also will be current date and last date it will be our 2100 till date. And we will set state. It means we will update our UI after user select its date and we will update this by pick date here. Now our pick date method is ready. Now we will call it from our method name select date. Now let's implement it. Click on select date. Here it is. Now our UI give us option to select the date. We will select it 28th of March. Now you will see here 28th of March and it is showing YY. In the INTL package you will not represent capital Y, we will represent here small y. So it will convert in the by format. If you want to show the whole month name, then you can increase 1 M and you will notice you will got the whole month name. And first is for date. So here keep remember you have to mention in small case dt and for month it should be in the capital case and for in the year it should be in the small case for the y. So we have get our date here. Now we will select our time. So picked time and pick time is already contained it for format method which will do its own according to 12-hour format. So it is. So we will make another method similarly to picking for date. We will define a next method for picking the date. Pick time like this. Now first of all we will show time picker. Here it is. We will pass here context and we will pass here time. So we will pass here now time. So initially it will show the selected time of current. So time of the day dot now. So it will automatically select current time and it will show as selected current time automatically and set state for picked time. It is. Now we will rerun it and so click on select it. Oh, we have not called this method from the select time. Pick time. Now select time. Now we can select our time here. Okay, here it is. Now we have selected the time and also we select the date. Now we will pass this date and time into our notification. We have already implemented our notification. If you are come direct on this fourth part, you can go watch my previous part on the same topic so that you can understand how to start via the integrating of notification. So you can follow the same series which I have published this video on the list. So this is our method. Here we have defined our own Android notification details. Here we have decided schedule notification for 5 seconds. What now we'll have situation that we will implement it for our user pick time like this. So how you will do that? We have our pick date and also we have our pick time. Now we will create our variable which will hold our date and time information, and we will use that variable in our tz date time so that we can schedule that notification with the selected time. So how we will achieve that? So first of all we will check if picked date not equal to null and also picked time not equal to null, then we will proceed further. Here we will make our variable selected date time. Now selected date time, here we will pass our date time. Now here is year, month, day, hour and minute. We will pass these values. First of all we will pass here our year. So here picked date dot year will give us current year, and also we will pass from this variable the value of month and date. Pick date dot we are using pick time, we will use pick date dot month and pick date dot day. Now we will use pick time dot hours and picked time dot minute like this. We will also make a global variable for holding that information so that we can use this converted date and time into different type of functions. So we will use another variable selected date time. Now this here we will call our set state so that we can inform our UI that you have to be revealed itself because the selected date and time is now available. Here it is. Here we have prepared our variable for using in our tz date and time. What now we have to modify our this function. Here we have just added 5 seconds further for producing the notification. What now we have selected correct time and date. How you will modify that? So we will use the same condition. This here we want to define that if our pick date and pick time is not equal to null, it means we will go with our selected time, otherwise it will go as it is running now. So here it is. Now tz dot date time, here we will update our required time according to our requirement. So here we will call tz dot tdate time and call here required time. It will be our nullable and we will initialize it via our object initialization, which is tz dot date time dot from. Here we use now. What now we will use our from means the time the user we selected. So here we select selected time like this and pass this convert format like this, and that's it. Your now it is implemented, and now this notification is expecting the user selected date and time, so we can rerun it again. It is first of all we will select our time, so I will use the current date and time. It's 27th of March, so we will select it 27th of March to 2025. Now we will use selected time. I will use 1 p.m. exact. We have to change the time again by 1 minute like this. Now click on, and we have not changed the method name. Okay, it is still show progress. We will make this name casual. Don't go with my spelling, just understand the feeling of language. Schedule it. No. Okay, so now we will schedule our time again. Now we will rerun our app. We have implemented all the functions in it. So first of all select date, we'll use the 27th of March, and we'll use select time, make it to 3. It is and click OK. Our time and date is selected. Now click on schedule notification. Wait for some time. We have time 1 equal to 2. I will come back at 1 at 3. Here it is. You can show whenever 103 am is detected by the system, the notification is come, which is schedule notification. Hope you understand how you can select the time from the user and can pass to the notification part. So if you got any knowledge from my video, please like this and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.